stretchy, he's rainbow, he's funny, he's super rainbow. D-O-O-D-Y, D-O-O-D-Y. Sticky, he loves you, he's rainbow, he's super funny. D-O-O-D-Y, D-O-O-D-Y. Only $10 just to buy him. Get it right. Just only $10 just to buy him. Get it right. Only $10. Ooh, I'm gonna open this one. I know this is just a plushie of it, but I love it. It's so cute. I know I wasn't able to afford the slime of it, but at least you like it. I know something else is inside here, so can you tell me? You have to open it and see for yourself because it's a surprise, but I promise you're going to love it and like it. Well, if I'm going to do all that stuff when I see it myself, then okay. Whoa, a card? What's inside? It's another surprise. Invitation to Poodys Funtime comes right now before the shop closes. Does this mean we're going to the factory that created them? Oh, you're such a genius. Of course, why wouldn't I let you do that? Hey, Jacob, don't go that. He's not listening to me, is he? What should I buy for myself?